Last week, we specifically only worked using the command window. And I get some concerns and questions regarding the command window. So what do you think is the problem working on a command window? What is the limitation?
You can save.
You can save, but the problem is you just write it and you ask the question, it executes it. If you want to change it, you need to write everything again. So it is really like a calculator for quick prototyping. Instead, what we do is we write scripts and we call it mfiles or functions. It's easier and more convenient to do relatively more complex stuff. So how we do that? There is a new script command. There is another kind of namings for different kind of versions, but basically you click it and it opens an editor window. We can save it, for example, like my first EE209 code and save this. Okay, I save this. Good. So what you do is you start writing your codes. So in MATLAB, the percentage symbol is the symbol that is used for commands. So if I write it, it's not executed, it's just commenting. My first code. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem using this script. And this is basically what you will do in your take-home exam. Okay, let's call it my first matrix as A. So what is my A matrix? Let's start. Okay, so I think I lost. Yes, this is my only first equation. So, okay, let's generate some random matrix. Okay, it's fine. Good. So 0, 1, minus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, 6, and 4. Okay, this is my A matrix. Do you see the syntax, how I can create a matrix? It's the same thing that I did with the command window. This is my 3 by 3 square matrix. My B matrix is equal to minus 3, semicolon, 12, semicolon, 0. Okay, good. So how I can find the solution of this problem? AX is equal to B. How can I find X? Okay, so I use inverse, I can use pin, or I can use the A backslash B. Let's try all of that. X is equal to in A, X is equal to A to the power minus 1 times B. I forgot B here. And X is equal to pin times A times B. And X is equal to A, B. Okay, so as you can see, I haven't used any semicolons in any of these codes. Why? I did this because I wanted to show it in the command window. There are other ways of printing results on the command window, but this is one way of doing it. If you don't use semicolon, you can ask. No, it's the math. It's the point. Yes, it's a good question. In C, you should define X. In MATLAB, you do a computation, and this is a matrix. It's automatically created as a matrix. Yes, this is in C. In MATLAB, yes. So MATLAB and some other high-level programming languages basically make the definition for yourself in the background. Python is also like this. If you write X is equal to 2, X is equal to 2. If 2 is an integer, it's an integer. If 2 is a double, it's a double. And indeed, you can even change X. You can assign it, for example, text, and it's fine, or character. Or you can change the dimension of the X. Basically, this equal signs perform two things. First, based on the definition or the structure of this part, it changes the structure of X, then assigns the value of this into X. So it is a two different operations that we do in C and other like similar low-level languages. The high-level program language solve these problems for you. There's a drawback. such as memory allocation, other kind of things. But what you do is a simple computational operation. You're not solving a deep learning problem like Google is doing, or it's not like you are trying to embedding a complex program in a small micro mobile chip. So this is computational science and engineering, so this is good. I think everybody likes this, right? Okay, so let's try to run this. How we can do that? There are a couple of things. So I can click run. I click run, and here are the results. Okay, 3.5, minus 0.5, 2.5. And as you can see, all of the answers are correct because there are 4 ways, and for invertible matrices, all solutions give the same answer. But if we have ranked efficiency, other kind of numerical problems, or if the matrices are too big, then you can get significantly different results.